Hello everyone and welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have an awesome video for you today. We are going to be talking about the latest news with Gores Guggenheim, the special purpose acquisition company that will be taking Polestar to the stock market. We will be talking about some very good news about Polestar that has a huge potential upside on your investment. I think you're going to get a lot out of this video, but before we get down into it and get started, give me that big thumbs up, keep me alive on YouTube, smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit all to get my latest uploaded videos. In addition to this, I do have very nice promotions using my link down below to Moomoo. If you put in $100, you will be guaranteed a free Lucid stock. In addition to this, Moomoo will give you up to 5 free additional stocks, each valued up to $3,500. Now, without further ado, I did want to talk about the stock market. Again, we have seen a lot of red. We have seen a bearish market. Towards the end of the day, we did see a little bit of improvement. Will this continue? We'll definitely have to see what the stock market has to hold. But I did see some very nice buying opportunities, especially in Gores Guggenheim. The ticker symbol is GGPI. Again, this is a special purpose acquisition company that will be bringing Polestar, the EV startup company, into the stock market with that reverse merger. Now, if you're not familiar, Polestar is a Swedish-based company. It is a branch of Volvo that did partner up with a Chinese company named Geely. They are now its own entity called Polestar, and they have been making electric vehicles. This is going on year 2, but very nice news ahead. I did just want to show you this article from Inside EVs. The title of this article is Polestar Sets Sales Target for the year 2022, and they are looking at making 65,000 electric vehicles. That is right, 65,000 electric vehicles. That will be over 125% year-over-year increase from what they did do last year. So in the year 2021, Polestar had an amazing year, and it said that it would make a goal of delivering 29,000 electric vehicles, and it did meet that goal. It actually did quite well. Polestar, if you do not know, it's the only electric EV pure play that is selling worldwide. There's only one other company doing this, and that is Tesla. So Tesla and Polestar are the only two electric vehicle companies selling across the world in all the nations. It is very popular. Polestar is very popular in the European market and in the Asian market, and also in the United States. It is doing quite well. This year alone, in the year 2022, Polestar will also have a brand new vehicle just coming out called the Polestar 3. It's going to be its first SUV, and it is going to be made in the United States. Its first vehicle produced in the United States. The other vehicles, the Polestar 2, was actually made in Geely company in China for the worldwide market. But this is going to be the very first time that Polestar is going to be creating a vehicle in the United States. They are using the same Volvo plant that is making the XC60. So they could share some similar components. But we do know that by the year 2025, Polestar has its eyes set to deliver and increase its productions tenfold from last year's numbers. It will be making 290,000 vehicles per year, which is an incredible feat just looking at how fast this company is growing. But looking at its stock price, this stock, it has a huge potential. And I did just want to share how it's been doing. So just in this past trading day, it is trading at $10.57. If you have been following my channel, my page, I have been saying if you can get this stock under $12, you're getting a great deal. If you can get this under $11, you are getting a steal of a deal. This is at a steal of a deal price point. At one point in time today, we were actually selling this at $10.17. Super cheap price, because in my own opinion, and always do your own due diligence, your own research, but this stock, in my opinion, is worth about $18 to $20 per share. So far, we have not had any analyst review this, and I definitely think that once the analysts start reviewing this stock, we'll definitely have to see that huge potential. But right now, this is only a $20 billion company, but it has growth. It is making vehicles worldwide, as I mentioned, and its Polestar 2 is quite popular. And one of the very nice things about this vehicle, it has a very nice entry point. with all the tax credits that you can get in, you can actually get in this vehicle for under $40,000. So to get into an electric vehicle for under $40,000 is an incredible feat. Polestar has definitely delivered. It has wonderful technology inside the vehicle. And I definitely think that the Polestar 3, which is going to be this SUV made in the United States, is going to take off. It is going to be even more popular, in my opinion. I think it's going to do quite well. Polestar has also gone out and announced that it is trying to target and go after Porsche. It is trying to take the market share of Porsche. And when you do compare these two vehicles and you do compare its electric powertrains, Polestar by far, hands down, has the most energy efficient vehicle. They have the most energy efficient battery and electric motor of these two vehicle comparisons, which is Porsche and Polestar. So definitely very nice things to look forward to. But this stock is doing quite well. I just did want to show you that in the past 5 days, Polestar has been down almost 7%. So we have always been trading above that $11 mark. Probably $11.25 is a good rule of thumb to look at. But again, we have seen a huge sell-off in this stock. Actually, we have seen it gone down as low as 9.25%. But in the past 1 month, we are still down 7.8%. We have tested a high of $12 that has been its resistant in the past 1 month. That was on January 3rd. Again, in my opinion only, I do believe that Polestar should be worth about $18 to $20. Just looking at its vehicle, looking at how much it has been produced, and looking also that it has sales around the world. Remember, this is the only EV pure play that is worldwide in the Asian market, European market, and the US market. So the only other company that's doing that right now is Tesla. But again, you are getting a very nice buy-in price with GGPI, Gores, Guggenheim. Now, just to let you know, when you do buy GGPI, whenever it does convert to Polestar, which will be trading in the stock market with the ticker PSNY after the merger happens, your shares will convert 1-to-1 over from GGPI to Polestar. But again, this is a very nice opportunity to get into this stock. I did just want to transition and show you how high this stock went. At one point in time, this stock actually went up to about $15.33 on November 16th. Last year, we have seen it test that high. We definitely know it can go that high. But if you look right now, from its highest point to its lowest point right now, 31%. We are at a huge discount. This does give us a very nice opportunity, about potentially over 30%, to get back to that high that we've had. I definitely think that we will get there this year. This year being 2022, I do think that we will get this. Now, Polestar has actually told us that 2022, with all the chip shortages, with all the supply chain issues, they are still going to hit that number. They're still going to hit 65,000 electric vehicle deliveries and productions being made this year. So far, they have been on point, and they have said everything that they will be doing. Again, they did meet those targets of last year, 2021, 29,000 vehicles. I definitely think that they can hit this year as well. Let me just show you that so far no analysts have reviewed this. However, Wallet Investor does give us an estimate of its 12-month forecast, its 1-year forecast. It is showing a valuation about $15 in its stock, which again, if you can get it right now under $11, you are getting a very nice deal to increase your money. So in the next 5 years, Wallet Investor is predicting that this stock should be about $30.67. Huge upside, potentially to triple your money from the point it is now. Again, I do think that once the analyst Wall Street starts reviewing this stock, I definitely think that this will be much higher. Again, remember right now, this company is only valued at $20 billion, but moving up. And when you do compare that to Lucid Motors, to Rivian, they're both running around $60 billion. Right now, you are getting a huge discount in this stock, and I definitely think that they will be competing worldwide in the electric vehicle market. But I hope you learned something new. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, this is the time to give me that big thumbs up. keep me alive again on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button if you are new to the channel. We'd love to have you part of the community. Hit the notification bell and hit all so you can get my latest uploaded videos. If you can share this page, I'd greatly appreciate it. If you can share it with your friends, family, your coworkers, that next door neighbor, so we can move this channel and grow it quite nicely. I greatly appreciate that. If you haven't already, I urge you to get that free Lucid stock using my link down below. It's for my viewers only. Using that link to Moomoo, put in $100 to open a new account. The Lucid stock will be yours. In addition to this, Moomoo is treating my viewers with 5 additional free stocks up to $3,500 each. So far, my viewers have received Tesla stock, Lucid stock, Amazon, Apple, and now Netflix stocks. The stocks do keep coming in, and congratulations to those viewers that have received those. You can also take advantage of my cryptocurrency links down below. Crypto.com is giving my viewers $25 in cryptocurrency right now just by signing up and opening an account. In addition to this, Coinbase is giving my viewers $10 in Bitcoin just for putting in $100 into a brand new account. Take advantage of those promotions, as these will not last long. But again, thank you so much for watching, and I hope you learned something new, and I can't wait to talk to you on the next one. Thank you.